So it's not only been a record year of passenger numbers, but also for capital infrastructure investments. It encompasses improvement projects that range from elevators and escalators to walkways, electric systems, and roofing. We are currently undergoing a historic $7 billion in significant capital infrastructure investments and $1.7 billion in maintenance. These investments did not happen overnight. We have been planting the seeds for many months already, and not only to address the decades of deferred maintenance in airport facilities, but also to transform MIA into a future-ready destination. I know that your experience has been affected by the shutdown of the Skytrain due to the cracks in concrete columns that were poured 25 years ago. At MIA, safety is our #1 priority, and that is why when the engineers told us, recommended to us that we shut down the Skytrain after the last inspection, we took immediate action to just do that, to ensure the safety of the passengers and our employees. We began a free airport shuttle service. We brought in extra golf carts. We ran a bus service. All of this to support our passengers, and I directed the airport team to resolve this issue and get the Skytrain back up and running as quickly as possible. And now I am very proud to share that Concourse D Skytrain is ready to return to service this spring. It is critical that we keep this global gateway running effectively. It's all thanks to the tireless work of our MIA employees, who are our neighbors, our friends, our family members. They work night and day to make sure millions of passengers and cargo get where they need to go safely and on time. And we have a few of them right here with us, so let's give them a round of applause.